Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Pharmacokinetics. So in the pharmacokinetics, all these alpha 2 agonists, alpha 2 blockers are actually lipid soluble. So because they are lipid soluble, the clonidine is available as patches. So clonidine patches are available. These are well absorbed orally, and they are well absorbed orally, and they also have high first pass metabolism is present in these drugs. So because of this also the clonidine is available as patches.
thank you and thank you for watching.